23rd of October, and snow leopard is the state animal of Ladakh and also Himachal Pradesh. World Statistics Day was 20th of October. It was not celebrated this year, but it is observed on 20th of October. World Polio Day is 24th of October, same as the United Nations Day, 24th of October. International Day of Diplomats was on 24th of October. Disarmament Week was celebrated from 24th to 30th of October, and the Central Vigilance Awareness Week was observed on 26th of October to 1st of November. From 26th October to 1st of November, India celebrated Vigilance Awareness Week. And the World Day for Audiovisual Heritage was 27th of October. International Animation Day was 28th of October, and International Internet Day was 29th of October. Two important people passed away. Former South Korea President Roh Tai-woo passed away, and former Tamil Nadu batsman R.C. Vasanta Kumar passed away. Now let's come to the MCQs. Which of the following institutions has released the 2021 Production Gap Report? Remember, Production Gap Report has been launched by United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, which is headquartered in Nairobi, which is the capital of Kenya. And don't forget, Inger Andersen of Denmark is the Director General of UNEP. In Nairobi, we also have the headquarters of UN Habitat. Where has been India's first wildlife DNA testing lab set up? Remember, India's first wildlife DNA testing lab has been set up in Nagpur, and Nagpur is in Maharashtra, so the answer is Maharashtra. Which bank has launched the new digital platform called Abacus 2? Abacus 2 has been launched by Ratnakar Bank Limited. The answer is RBL Bank, and Vishwa Veer Ahuja is the managing director of this bank. Which organization has launched something known as DigiBook Innovations for You? DigiBook, the name of the DigiBook is Innovations for You. So remember, this book has been launched to showcase the success stories of startups under the Atal Innovation Mission. So it has been launched by the Niti Aayog. Chinese smartphone company Realme has appointed which Indian cricketer as brand ambassador? It is KL Rahul. The Jayanagar to Kurtha rail link was built by India. This is between India and which country? So remember, this is between India and Nepal. It is a rail link. So Jayanagar is in Bihar and Kurtha is basically in Nepal, right? Jayanagar to Kurtha, very important. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar announced free education under the scheme Parivar Pehchan Patra. What is the family annual income limit to get the benefit? The cap is the annual income of the family per year should be less than 1.8 lakh rupees, right? So this is Parivar Pehchan Patra of the Haryana government. In which state of India Dhanvantri Generic Medical Store scheme was started, where Dhanvantri Generic Medical Stores will be set up, where very subsidized medicine will be provided, low and affordable rates. So remember, Dhanvantri Generic Medical Stores, they have been started in Chhattisgarh. Who is the author of the book The Origin Story of India's States? How basically the India states were formed. So remember, this book has been written by Venkat Raghavan and Shubha Srinivasan. So the answer is Venkat Raghavan, Shubha Srinivasan. Which company has recently announced to build India's largest green hydrogen making plant? The capacity would be 10 megawatt. Remember, it will be set up by GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited, and the chairman of GAIL is Mr. Manoj Jain. Manoj Jain, who was honored with the first ever Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award at the 52nd International Film Festival of India, which took place in Goa. Remember, Martin Scorsese and Istvan Szabo. Istvan Szabo, the answer is A and C. Istvan Szabo is a Hungarian filmmaker, and Martin Scorsese is a very renowned Hollywood filmmaker. They were given this important award, right? Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award was given to both of them. Which Indian state has launched a portal called eMunnetram? So there were two portals which were launched by Tamil Nadu. One is eMunnetram and one is IT Nanban. IT Nanban. And Tamil Nadu has also launched two computer software program. One is called Kizhadi Keyboard, and the second one is called Tamizi Nayam Unicode Converter. Tamizi Nayam Unicode Converter and Kizhadi Keyboard were also launched by Tamil Nadu. Kuzangal, the word means pebbles in English. Pebbles are nothing but small stones. Kuzangal is India's official entry to the Oscar. It is a which language film? So remember, this film is made by a director called Vinod Raj PS. It is a Tamil film. Which of the following states of India has become the first state in achieving the ODF, open defecation free, and connecting every household with electricity? So both of these things, ODF free and connecting every house with electricity, both have been achieved for the first time in India by Goa, and Goa is also the first rabies free state of India. Who among the following is appointed as the managing director and CEO of ICRA? ICRA is a credit rating agency, right? So remember, it is headquartered in Gurgaon, and Mr. Ramnath Krishnan has been appointed as the managing director and CEO. Name the HEAT, which means high speed expendable aerial target, that was successfully flight tested by DRDO. Remember, it is called Abhyas, and Abhyas has been designed and developed by the laboratory of DRDO called Aeronautical Development Establishment, ADE, which is in Bangalore. ADE in Bangalore. Who is the author of the book The Story of India's Farm Crisis? So this is an important book written by Jaideep Hardikar. Jaideep Hardikar. Who has become the brand ambassador of Zinda Balm? The full name is Zinda Tilismat Balm. It's a pain reliever. It is Sania Mirza, the tennis player. There is a anthology or collection of poems called Writing for My Life. So it is a anthology of which author? It is penned down by Ruskin Bond. Who has won the women's single title at the Denmark Open? Women's single title was won by Akane Yamaguchi, who is a Japanese badminton player, and men's single was won by Victor Axelsen of Denmark. Election Commission of India has launched which mobile app for digital mapping of all the polling booths? This mobile app is called Garuda, and the Chief Election Commissioner of India is Mr. Sushil Chandar. Konkan Shakti is a tri-service exercise between India and which country? Konkan Shakti is a Army, Navy, Air Force, all the three exercise between India and Britain. India and Britain. Also with Britain we do Konkan, which is a naval exercise, Indradhanush, which is a Air Force exercise, and Ajay Warrior, which is a military exercise. India's first IVF, in vitro fertilization, calf born of the Bunny breed of buffalo was born where? So Bunny breed is from Gujarat. The answer is Gujarat, and this was done in the Gir Somnath district of Gujarat. Recently, on which day the 60th raising day of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force was celebrated? And who is the Director General of Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force? It is Sanjay Arora. So remember, 24th of October was the 60th raising day of Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force. It works under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Which technology company has started Unnati program in India? It's a skill development program. Unnati program, it has been started by Intel. The answer is Intel, and they want to set up 100 Intel Unnati data labs in India. 100 Intel Unnati data centric labs in India by 2022. Rule of Law Index was given by which organization? India was ranked 79 in this index and the best performing country was Denmark, so Denmark was number 1. Rule of Law Index was given by World Justice Project, which is headquartered in Washington, in America. Name the Indian cricket players who have been awarded the lifetime membership of the Marylebone Cricket Club. This is the cricket club that owns the Lord's Cricket Ground, and it is one of the largest and the oldest cricket clubs in the world. So remember, Harbhajan Singh and Javagal Srinath, they were given the lifetime membership of Marylebone Cricket Club. Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal recently inaugurated 250 mm Seer water supply scheme in which union territory? 250 mm Seer water supply scheme was recently launched in Pahalgam district in Kashmir. Also in Pahalgam district, there will be 1 lakh Deodar trees that will be planted. The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Where was National Inter-Religious Conference took place? Where did it take place recently? It took place in Nagpur, and even Nitin Gadkari, his constituency in Nagpur, so he participated. Which cartoonist's 100th birth anniversary was celebrated? So it is the great R.K. Lakshman, who used to portray the common man in his cartoons. Rasipuram Krishna Swami Lakshman or R.K. Lakshman. The world's largest cricket bat was unveiled where? It was unveiled in Hyderabad, and it has been designed by Pernod Richard India Limited. Pernod Richard India Limited. The answer is Hyderabad. India has collaborated with which country to launch Infrastructure for Resilient Island States or IRIS initiative at COP26, which took place in Glasgow? So remember, India participated with Australia and UK, and all the 3 countries will put in $10 million worth of funding so that the small island countries can be benefited. This initiative is called IRIS. National Steering Committee has been constituted for Nipun Bharat Mission. Who will head this committee? Remember, Nipun means National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy. So basically our target is that by 2026-27, every Indian child, by the time he ends his class 3rd, he should have basic proficiency in foundational literacy and numeracy. So to implement this Nipun scheme, there is a committee that has been set up. It will be headed by our Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. The answer is Dharmendra Pradhan. Who is the winner of the 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award? And this award was given to him for basically the year 2019. Because of COVID, it could not be given earlier. So it is Kollywood superstar Rajinikanth. Rajinikanth, the legend of the Tamil cinema, but also of other languages. He has done films in other languages also, like Hindi. And Rajinikanth was given this award. At recently, the 67th National Film Awards were given, where he was given this award. And the best actor was Manoj Vajpayee for Bhonsle and Dhanush for Asuran. And best actress was Kangana Ranaut for Manikarnika and Panga. Ahmedabad and Lucknow are the 2 new teams in the IPL. So how many teams will play now in IPL in 2022? Total there will be 10 teams. There will be 10 teams. And the Lucknow team is owned by RPSG, that is Sanjeev Goenka Group. So that owns the Lucknow Sanjeev Goenka Group, that is RPSG. And the other team, that is the Ahmedabad team, is owned by CVC Capital Partners. CVC Capital Partners. Recently, Prime Minister Modi launched Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. So what is the total outlay for the mission? Means what will be the total amount that will be spent in this mission? In this mission, we will set up urban and rural health and wellness centers. So remember, total amount will be 64,180 crore rupees. Which small finance bank has launched QR code soundbox to provide voice-based payment alert to merchant partners? It has been launched by AU Small Finance Bank. AU Small Finance Bank is headquartered in Jaipur in Rajasthan. Name the first scientist from India. He was selected for Joseph Cushman Award. So he is Mr. Rajiv Nigam. He is a scientist at National Institute of Oceanography, which works under CSIR. Right? Dr. Rajiv Nigam was given Joseph Cushman Award, and this award was started in 1979 by the Cushman Foundation. This award is given for microfossil research or foraminiferal research. Which Indian organization was elected as the president of World Association of Investment Promotion Agencies for 2021 to 23? Remember, it is Invest India. Invest India has become the president of the World Association of Investment Promotion Agencies, which is headquartered in Geneva. Spinney has made which person as their brand ambassador? It is a second-hand car buying and selling company. Remember, Spinney has made PV Sindhu as the brand ambassador. Gulkham Jathom Gangte, he is India's ambassador to Tunisia. He will now also be the ambassador to which country? He will be the ambassador now to Libya as well. Libya's capital is Tripoli. Who has become the first black woman to be awarded the 2021 Peace Prize of the German Book Trade? It was given to a woman from Zimbabwe. Her name is Tsitsi Dangarembga and Zimbabwe's capital is Harare. Who authored the book called Kamala Harris, Phenomenal Woman? Kamala Harris, Phenomenal Woman. This is a book written by Chidanand Raj Ghata. Government of India has signed an agreement. Government of India is buying Mk-54 torpedo from which country? Remember, we are buying it from America, United States of America. In which Indian state Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi inaugurated 9 new medical colleges? 9 new medical colleges, they were inaugurated in UP, Uttar Pradesh, in Siddharthnagar, Etah, Hardoi, Pratapgarh, Fatehpur, Deoria, Ghazipur, Mirzapur and Jaunpur. Who became the first Frenchman to win the MotoGP World Championship? Better question is, who became the MotoGP World Champion? The answer is Fabio Quartararo. Fabio Quartararo, and he is from the team Monster Energy Yamaha. Recently, Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan inaugurated which phase of the Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship? This is a part of the Sankalp scheme of the Education Ministry. Right? It is a skill development program, and the first phase was launched in 2019 in partnership with IIM Bengaluru. Now the second phase has started. Which Indian city hosted the National Tribal Dance Festival? It was hosted by Raipur, the capital of Chhattisgarh. Karnataka government has decided to rename the Mumbai-Karnataka region as what? Mumbai-Karnataka region will be called Kittur Karnataka. Kittur Karnataka to basically, pay tribute to Rani Chennamma of this region, who was the queen of Kittur, right? And Hyderabad Karnataka region was renamed as Kalyan Karnataka 2 years back. There is a mobile app called Consult. It has been launched by Nitin Gadkari. What type of app it is? As the name says, it is a knowledge app. You can consult regarding anything on this app. You can take advice, you can counsel, guidance, call up experts. So it's a knowledge app and platform called Consult. Which union ministry has launched Green Day Ahead Market? Green Day Ahead Market was launched by the Ministry of Power. The Ministry of Power, and the Minister for Power and New and Renewable Energy is R.K. Singh. So this market segment, Green Day Ahead Market, was launched specifically for renewable energy. Which person has been appointed or elected as the president of Indian Broadcasting and Digital Foundation? It is K. Madhavan. K. Madhavan. Which ministry has launched Sambhav National Level Awareness Program? Sambhav National Level Awareness Program has been started by the Ministry of MSME, which is headed by Narayan Rane. As per the recent amendment to the Indian Telegraph Rights of Way rule, what is the maximum one-time compensation per kilometer? Maximum compensation for 1 kilometer of laying down of telegraph lines will be 1000 rupees. As per the recent Reserve Bank of India rule, what is the maximum IPO funding per borrower by the NBFC? NBFCs can only give maximum 1 crore rupees loan to the borrower if he wants to fund IPO. India's first ever radio over internet protocol. system for major port was unveiled where? So it was started on the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee port or the Kolkata port. When did we celebrate the Vigilance Awareness Week? It was celebrated from 26th October to 1st of November, and the theme was Independent India at 75, Self-Reliance with Integrity. Self-Reliance with Integrity. Which bank has partnered with Indigo Airlines to launch co-branded credit card called Kaching? Kaching has been launched by Kotak Mahindra Bank. The answer is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Shavkat Mirziyoyev has been re-elected as the president of which country? He has been re-elected as the president of Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan's capital is Tashkent. He is from Liberal Democratic Party of Uzbekistan. Ayurvedic company Kapiva has made whom as their brand ambassador? They have made Malaika Arora as the brand ambassador. So for which state Asian Development Bank has given a loan for supporting urban mobility? It's a small loan of $4.5 million. It has been given to Mizoram. The answer is Mizoram. Which organization has launched India's first Skill Impact Bond? India's first Skill Impact Bond. Remember, it has been launched by National Skill Development Corporation. National Skill Development Corporation. It will support 50,000 young people in India for the next 4 years. And out of the 50,000 people, 60% will be women and girls. Which organization has partnered with Meaty Startup Hub to launch AppScale Academy? AppScale Academy has been launched by Google, and Google will tell the small and medium enterprises how to launch the app and how to make it scalable, how to create a world-class app. And it has been launched in partnership with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Who is the author of the book AIIMS Mein Ek Jang Ladte Hue, which means I fought a battle in the AIIMS, battle for life, because he suffered from COVID. He is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, former education minister. Who has been appointed Defense Minister of Canada? It is Anita Anand, a person of Indian origin. And India's ambassador to Canada is Ajay Bisaria. Which Indian state has started Go Green scheme, where electric two-wheelers will be given at subsidized rate to construction worker and industrial workers? So the construction worker will be given 50% subsidy, maximum of 30,000, and industrial worker will be given 30% subsidy, maximum of 30,000. So it has been started by Gujarat government. Bhupender Patel is the CM. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of My Bill book? It is Manoj Vajpayee. And there is a bank called FlowBiz. FlowBiz Bank has started My Bill book. Who will be the chairman of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister of India? It is Bibek Devroy. He will remain the chairman. Recently, Asian Development Bank has given $100 million loan for developing agribusiness in which state? This loan will help the Magnet project. Magnet is what? Maharashtra Agribusiness Network. Maharashtra Agribusiness Network, in short Magnet. So the answer is Maharashtra. Krishi Udan scheme will be implemented at how many airports? Krishi Udan will be implemented at 53 airports of India. 53. And 21st of October we celebrate as the Udan Day in India. Uday Desh Ka Aam Nagarik or Udan scheme started on 21st October 2016, and therefore this scheme completed 5 years. And remember, for Krishi Udan there is a platform that has been launched which is called eKushal, or Krishi Udan for Sustainable Holistic Agri-Logistics, in short eKushal platform. Environment Minister Bhupender Yadav addressed the Middle East Green Initiative Summit. Where did it take place? It took place in the capital of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. Prime Minister Modi attended 16th East Asia Summit. Where did it take place? Even ASEAN Summit took place this year in Brunei. So both East Asia Summit and ASEAN Summit 2021 took place in Brunei. Under PM Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission, Government of India will set up 2 container-based mobile hospitals. These are 100-bed hospitals, but they are movable from one place to another. Where will they be set up? They will be set up in Delhi and Chennai. Delhi and Chennai. DRDO successfully launched Agni 5. What type of missile it is? Agni 5 is a surface-to-surface missile. The range is approximately 5,000 km, right? And it was first tested in 2012. So it covers most of the part of China. Which Indian city is among the 3 cities of the world selected for the Zero Waste Cities Challenge? Zero Waste Cities Challenge is started by Waste Aid, which is a non-government organization based in Britain. So 3 cities were selected by them. One is Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, then Guwahati in India, and Johannesburg in South Africa. So the answer is Guwahati. In which state of India, India's largest aromatic garden has been opened? It has been opened at a place which is in Uttarakhand. The answer is Uttarakhand, and the district is called Nainital district, and the name of this they have kept is Surbhi Vatika. Surbhi Vatika is the name given to this aromatic garden. Which ministry inaugurated AIIA ICANE, that is All India Institute of Ayurveda, ICANE. ICANE means Incubation Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship in New Delhi. So it was launched by the Ministry of Ayush. Ayush Minister is Sarvanand Sonowal. Government has appointed KV Kamath as chairman of what? He is appointed chairman of NABFID, National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development. NABFID. The outlay of the bank is 20,000 crore. Headquarter will be in Mumbai. Which of these persons has been appointed as the head of the Pegasus Snoopgate Committee? It is R.V. Ravindran. R.V. Ravindran. Pegasus is an Israeli software which is used to hack the WhatsApp chats. Which country has launched a military communication satellite called Syracuse 4A? It was launched by France. It is a military communication satellite of France, and the rocket that they used was Ariane 5 rocket. Who has been appointed as the managing director and CEO of Jammu Kashmir Bank? Remember, it is Baldev Prakash. Baldev Prakash. Headquarter of this bank is in Srinagar. So that was part 4 of the best 300 MCQs for the month of October. I will see you very soon in November part 1. Thank you for watching Study IQ.